devil declines and catastrophic cascades. Is mesopredatory release of feral cats inhibiting recovery of the eastern quoll? In a 10-year period between 1999 and 2009, the population of the eastern quoll has declined by a massive 52%. Now only found in Australia's island state of Tasmania, this marsupial carnivore has shown no sign of recovery. The rapid decline has previously been linked to a period of unfavourable weather conditions for the quoll, but while the weather improved, the quoll population did not, suggesting that there was another cause preventing recovery. It was through the research on the Tasmanian devil that other possible causes became apparent. The Tasmanian devil's population has reduced significantly due to the spread of the fatal devil facial tumour disease, releasing of feral cats from competitive suppression. Since the decline in Tasmanian devils, feral cat sightings have increased. Cats and quolls have coexisted for hundreds of years, but could the decrease in Tasmanian devils and the increase of feral cats be the reason behind the continued decline of the eastern quoll? The methods used to investigate whether the Tasmanian devils suppress cat abundancy or activity and whether cats suppress eastern quoll abundance or activity was a combination of trapping and remote camera surveys. 4 carnivore populations were monitored at a study site monitoring the locations, presence, and/or abundance of devils, the quoll population status, and key environmental data. An additional 12 more remote sites were camera surveyed, and the locations, classifications used for data analysis, and key environmental data was recorded. The results of these methods show that among the statewide camera survey sites, it was observed cat abundance was not negatively related to devil abundance. While quoll abundance differs slightly between high and low quoll sites, there was no difference in cat abundance as shown in Table 1A. There was no evidence that the presence of devils had any negative effect on local cat presence. Cats were detected at 92% of camera or trapping sites where devils were detected, indicating that both species were locally active in these areas. Also, there was no evidence found to support a negative relationship between cat and quoll abundance. Quolls were detected at 87% of camera or trapping sites where cats were recorded. Cats did not appear to avoid devils spatially. However, there was evidence of temporal separation of cats and devil activity, with reduced separation and increasing nocturnal activity observed in those areas where devils had declined the longest. Cats and quolls used the same areas, and there was no evidence that the cat and quoll abundance were negatively related. Devils do influence cat behaviour, but contrary to predictions, no evidence was found that devils suppress cat abundance. In conclusion, due to this evidence, it is suggested that cats did not cause the recent quoll decline, but that predation of juvenile quolls by cats could be inhibiting low-density quoll populations from recovering their former abundance through a predator pit effect, following weather-induced decline.